अनजाने में हुए एक स्लिप ऑफ टंग के लिए भी मुझे महाप्रभु जी से क्षमा याचना करनी चाहिए और मैंने निर्णय लिया है कि मैं उसके लिए उपवास भी करूंगा।
This was BJP's Puri Lok Sabha candidate Sambit Patra apologizing for his slip of tongue about Lord Jagannath. Notably, Patra was severely criticized for saying Lord Jagannath is a Bhakt of PM Modi. Sambit Patra was also criticized on social media by many, starting from Odisha Chief Minister Navin Patnaik to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for his statement on Lord Jagannath. Patra asked for forgiveness and said that he'll hold 3 days of fasting as a penance.
कोई व्यक्ति अपने सही हालत में ऐसा कभी कह भी नहीं सकता है कि किसी मनुष्य के भक्त भगवान होंगे। तो अनजाने में ये त्रुटि हुई है एक चैनल को बाइट देते समय। मैं मानता हूं कि कुछ लोग इससे आहत जरूर हुए होंगे, मगर अनजाने में हुए त्रुटि को ईश्वर भी क्षमा करते हैं। मेरी मनसा बिल्कुल वो नहीं थी, मगर फिर भी चूंकि महाप्रभु हम सब उड़िया वासियों के लिए और केवल उड़ीसा के लिए नहीं, मैं तो खुद उनका भक्त हूं, पूरे भारतवर्ष और विश्व के लिए वो सबसे बड़े देवता हैं। तो स्वाभाविक रूप से मुझे लगता है अनजाने में हुए एक स्लिप ऑफ टंग के लिए भी मुझे महाप्रभु जी से क्षमा याचना करनी चाहिए और मैंने निर्णय लिया है कि मैं उसके लिए उपवास भी करूंगा।
After this, Navin Patnaik's close aide V.K. Pandian reacted to Sambit Patra's statements and said BJD doesn't mix politics with religion.
Whatever the time lag was there, many people had given their comments in social media that it has hurt the sentiments of people of Odisha, and BJP is talking about Odia Asmita. So he is the symbol of Odia Asmita, Lord Jagannath. And the Chief Minister has always felt that we should keep our gods outside politics. They are immortal and we are mortal. Why we should mix both?
Pandian said, and we quote, we should keep our gods outside politics. But an old video soon surfaced which completely contradicts what the bureaucrat and politician said now.
ओडिशा जाति रे सबुटु बड़ा कौन कोई भी परिचय Honorable CM Navin Patnaik.
Yes, he had said that Odisha's biggest identity is Chief Minister Navin Patnaik. Not only this, Pandian had also referred Swabhav Kavi Gangadhar Nair at Santa Kavi at an election meeting in Sambalpur just days back. He neither corrected himself nor tendered an apology. This is not the first time that a BJD leader has contradicted to what V.K. Pandian recently said, that BJD doesn't mix politics with religion. There are several BJD leaders who gave defamatory statements about Lord Jagannath and shown disrespect to Odisha's legendary personalities in the speeches but never tendered apology. Listen to BJD leader and Minister Pratap Dev's statement.
कहाँ से आए हो? ओडिशा ओ जगन्नाथपुरी। आज आपण भारत वर्षर जेकोसी जगह जीवे यदि आपण कहिबे कि यू आर फ्रॉम ओडिशा, यदि आप ओडिशा आसचंती आ मुहरु प्रथम शब्द बाहरियो नवीन पटनायक।
Minister Pratap Dev had said that Navin Patnaik and not Lord Jagannath was the identity of 4.5 crore Odiyas. Similarly, BJD leader Amar Patnaik had once said Mahaprabhu Jagannath is currently Navin Patnaik.
Mahaprabhu Jagannath is currently Navin Patnaik. Mahaprabhu Jagannath is currently Navin Patnaik.
On the boiling issue, senior journalist Rajaram Satpathy has stated that in the past, those who had said that people outside knew Odisha and Puri because of Navin Patnaik were also reprimanded on social media. But did they apologize?
आज्ञा जो मैंने अतीत सब कही नवीन पट्टनायक जो पुरी की सब जान ओडिशा को सब जान परवर्ती समय समालोचना कराई विभिन्न सोशल मीडिया इत्यादि मुहर पदे कथा बाहरी ना जहाँ आम कहीदेचु भूल कहीदेचु बोली से तो से उदारता देखा मिललानी कि देखु।
He even added that BJD leaders have repeatedly defamed Lord Jagannath and shown disrespect to Odisha's legendary personalities, and unlike Sambit Patra, they have never apologized.